Hey, I'm Aubrey with Blue Water Yacht Sales. Today we're staying on this 2024 Regulator 31. This boat's a trade-in. Really, really nice boat. Ready to go for some serious fishing or some great cruising with the family. Starting off here in the stern, nice fold-out seat. Simply lift it up, stow it away when you want more cockpit room for fishing. Large fish box here on the port side, live well on the starboard side. Plenty of room to get down and service your lazarette space. Got the bucket holders, got the ladder. For another one of the great options that Regulator offers is this starboard side dive door. Plenty of space to get in and out of the water for when you're having fun at the beach, swimming or diving. That ladder is stored right here. Moving forward, this is the tackle center option. Plenty of space for all your fishing supplies. Sink on one side, kind of a wet storage space on the other, and a cutting board in the center. Plano tackle storage. So tackle storage here, Plano boxes, room for all of your leader line. Really nicely laid out. Definitely geared towards the guys that that need some storage options for say you're going to be offshore and then go deep dropping. You got plenty of storage for your lead, everything like that. Great layout. This boat is a gray hull, has the matching underside of the hardtop matching the gray, and it also has the gray and white upholstery throughout the boat. Moving forward to the helm, your helm chairs are convertible. They can you'd be a leaning post. You can fold the bolster down and have a really nice large seat, fold down armrest with cup holders and footrest down below. The helm features two really nice Garmin multifunction displays. All of your switches are neatly laid out on this black acrylic dash. Yamaha gauge as well. Currently we have it in joystick mode. This boat is equipped with a joystick. Makes it super maneuverable, getting in those tight spots. Really helps on those days where the wind's fighting your bow. You can really maneuver the boat very well. Phone charger down below. Right here, you got your trim tab controls. This boat does have autopilot. These are the electric steering motors, so really simple to steer or turn the wheel. Moving forward, we're going to walk down the port side. Really nice head space. You've got rod holders, both front and back, for stand-up rods. Access to the back of your batteries as well as your battery switches. Moving forward, here in front of the helm, this is your cooler. So this is insulated, plenty of storage for your drinks when you're going out. Fold down armrest, super nice option. Flip up seat backs. This is a really nice thing for when you got the family out, you're cruising, everybody can sit up front, have that nice seat back and enjoy the day. This boat does have a light bar and plenty of other options that make it a lot of fun. Large fish box. This is a mass rated box. It does have storage, rod storage to store them horizontally. That'll fit roughly a 6.5 foot rod. Appreciate you taking the time to look at this boat. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out. My name is Aubrey with Blue Water Yacht Sales, 757-969-3346. Thank you.